So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install the flap in Model Y. I ordered from Amazon. So it comes with 4 flaps and some screw. I guess this. And let's see. So I already started working on it a little bit, as you can see. Normally people say it's very easy, it takes only like 10-15 minutes job, but that's bad luck for me. I always have some trouble. As you see, I started pulling the hooks off, but somehow I broke it. So now I have to use one of this to pull it out. One more try, see if it comes off. So I was able to take one out. It looks like it's not aligned. That's why it was taking longer. This one also same thing, but this is how it looks. So here that is. There's a little groove here which should fit properly. Just gonna take this little piece and oh, all right, one more. All right, there's this little clip, if you can see, and that goes right here. And that side, and looks pretty sturdy. Yeah. So the next part. Okay guys, so for the back side we have two. It's 1, 2. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a screw here. We'll take this one off too. They did give this one to take the screw off, which is nice. So there you go. There's a little screw. That's where I had the hard time in the front. Hopefully it works out well this time. Ooh, that was easy. It came out this time. I'm so happy. Alright, let's find the other one. Ooh, rather easy peasy. Nice. Same screw again. Same thing. Got this hook. Alright, that's good.